Welcome to our singing assembly for the week. This is week 4 of the singing assemblies. 4. Because it was VE Day last Friday, which is a day marking the end of the Second World War, this is a song that I would like the lower phase and the upper phase to learn together. So there's one song for all you guys. It's a song about war. It's a song about peace. It's a song about wanting a better world where we don't have wars anymore. And it's a song that I've sung with some of you before. It's called Where Are All the Flowers Gone? It's a lovely song. It's beautiful. Before we start, we've got to warm up. I'm going to do a very gentle warm up today because this is quite a gentle song. So first of all, standing or sitting up straight. Always start with the shoulders. Shoulders are always a good place to start. Nice and rolly. Link your fingers together. Turn them out. Stretch out in front, stretch out up high, bring them down. Really, really enjoy every moment of that stretch as far as you can. Very good. Just give them a little shake, make sure they're nice and loose. Okay, if you're standing or sitting, make sure you're really sort of straight and tall. We can get good at that by doing the wrong thing. So do some bored posture, and then some tight posture. And some bored, tired posture. And tight posture! Really up, straight, like this. You do it too, otherwise it's just me looking stupid on a video. And really tired and sleepy. And then tight. And then somewhere in the middle, singing posture. So up tall, up straight, head nice and floaty, shoulders relaxed. Tall but relaxed. There we go, we've got nice posture. Let's get our breathing really ready. Let's brush our teeth. Get a big drink. Very nice. We've got our breathing ready. Let's get our face ready. Give it a little stretch. That's very good. Make a sad noise. No. Good. Let's do a quick up the hill and down the hill. It goes up and down the hill. How high and low can you stretch your voice out in this? Don't shout it. Don't do it rough. Just really soft and gentle and slidey. Up and down the hill. And up the hill and down the hill. Good. For the next warm-up, I need to magically appear at the piano. Are you ready? There we go! Piano. Right, this is a very good song to add to our warm-ups. It's called We Are a Choir of Many Colours. I'll sing, you sing back, and then we just raise it up higher and higher and higher. Me then you. We are a choir of many colours. You'll go. We are a choir of many colours. Good, let's do it again. Me then you. We are a choir of many colours. You'll go. We are a choir of many colours. Good. Me. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. Whole thing. Me, then you. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. You'll go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. And then, the second time, we sing it exactly the same again. But instead of going singing all our lives, we go singing all our lives. Can you please go singing all our lives? Your turn. Singing all our lives. Good. Probably. Definitely. So the first time, lives, lives. Second time, lives, lives. Make sense? Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. take it up a little bit more. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. Sing up to the sky. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. And the whole string will be standing up. Here we go. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. Good. That's a nice one to get you ready. Let me go back to my guitar. Ready? So in this song, we ask where all the flowers have gone, and we say a long time has passed. We say long time passing. I'll sing it, and you sing it back. By the way, this is a soft and gentle song, so you just sit up really straight or stand up really straight and just sing it gently. It's not a shouty, loud one. Me, then you. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time passing. You'll go. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time passing. Good. Next line. We sing where have all the flowers gone? Long time ago, because they went away a long time ago. I'll sing it softly and gently. You sing it back softly and gently. Me first. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time ago. Your turn. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time ago. Then we sing, where have all the flowers gone? Children have picked them. Every one of the flowers. Me, then you. Nice and gently, up straight. Where have all the flowers gone? Children have picked them. Every one. You'll go. Where have all the flowers gone? Children have picked them, every one. And then, because they've picked all the flowers have all gone. So we say, when will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Like this. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? You'll go. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Good. So let's sing the whole first verse. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time passing. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time ago. Where have all the flowers gone? Children have picked them every one. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? If you're not sure what to sing, it's probably where have all the flowers gone. You ready? Really softly, really gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time passing. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time ago. Where have all the flowers gone? Children have picked them, every one. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Good. Now the song stays the same, but we change what we're singing about. So instead of where have all the flowers gone, children have picked them, we take the children, and we sing about them. Where have all the children gone? Long time passing. Where have all the children gone? Long time ago. Where have all the children gone? Gone for soldiers, everyone. The children have all had to go and be soldiers. Because this is a song about wars and about the sad things that happen in wars. So we're going to sing Where Have All the Children Gone? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where have all the children gone? Long time passing. Where have all the children gone? Long time ago. Where have all the children gone? Gone for soldiers, everyone. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? So now the pattern continues. We sang about children becoming soldiers. Now we're going to sing, where have all the soldiers gone? And at the end, where have they gone? They've gone to graveyards, everyone, because they've died. It's sad. It's a sad song. So we're singing in sort of a sad voice. That's okay. We can sing about sad things. You ready? Where have all the soldiers gone? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where have all the soldiers gone? Long time passing. Where have all the soldiers gone? Long time ago. Where have all the soldiers gone? Gone to graveyards, everyone. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Good. Keep singing it just softly, gently, don't force it. Next. Well, what's next in the pattern? Where have all the graveyards gone? Long time passing. And at the end, the graveyards have been covered with flowers. So we've sort of gone back to the beginning of the song. The song's gone round in a big circle. We've gone back to flowers again. You ready to sing it with me? Sitting up really straight. Singing softly and gently like you're just singing about something you just remembered. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Where have the graveyards gone? Where have all the graveyards gone? Long time passing. Where have all the graveyards gone? Long time ago. Where have all the graveyards gone? Covered with flowers, everyone. And at the end, we sing, because now it's the end of the song, we sing, when will we ever learn? Because this song is about when will all of humans, all of humanity, learn to stop fighting and having wars and killing each other. It's a sad thing, but it's a good song to sing. So he's saying, when will we ever learn? When will we ever learn? When will we ever learn? And at the end, we just hum it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. When will we ever learn? When will we ever learn? Really good singing, guys. Should we do the whole thing all together? Remember the order. Flowers, children, soldiers, graveyards, and then humming. This song goes round in a big circle. Let's sing it all.